Hello dear followers of Mwalimu Theophil Academy, you're warmly welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to see the continuation of our trigonometry series. And in this series is a question which states that given that A is an acute angle for which 13 cos A minus 5 is equal to 0, find the value of tan A without using mathematical table. Now let's see the solution for this. My dear learner, here we are given 13 cosine of angle A minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, to get this cos A, it will be this way. 13 cosine of A is equal to 5. I have taken this 5 to the right-hand side and it becomes positive as here is subtracted. After that, we divide by 13 both sides to remain with cos A. So it will be cos A equals to 5 divided by 13. This is the value of cos A. But we are told that A is an acute angle. If it is an acute angle, its degree measure lengths between 0 and 90. Now let's use a right angle triangle. Let's label its angles. Take this as angle A, this is B, and this C. The angle under consideration here is an acute angle A, this. So you have to remember that we have a general rule for trigonometric ratios, meaning tangent, cosine, and sine, known as soikaitoa. Soikaitoa. In this, it means that to get sine of an angle, we take opposite divided by hypotenuse. To get cosine of an angle, we take adjacent divided by hypotenuse. To get tangent of an angle, we take opposite divided by adjacent. But here already we have cosine of angle A, so we are having cosine. From soikaitoa, cosine is equal to adjacent of hypotenuse. It means that adjacent is 5, hypotenuse is 13. Here hypotenuse is this one, so here 13. But adjacent is the side length nearby to the angle under consideration apart from the hypotenuse. This we are given is 5. Now, how to get this BC? Let's take it as side length x. As this is a right angled triangle, we may use Pythagoras Theorem to get an unknown side. From Pythagoras Theorem, we know that a square plus b square is equal to c square. You have to note that this A and B are the shorter side lengths, while C is the hypotenuse, the longest side. This one, 13. So here it means our A can be taken as 5. It means that 5 square plus our B here will be this x. X square is equal to C square, which is hypotenuse square, which is 13 square. After that, to get this x square will be equal to this 5 square is taken to this side, right hand side, and here is positive, so it means that when it relates to the right hand side, it is subtracted. Now we are going to have 13 square minus 5 square. This will be equal to 169, meaning 13 square, minus 25 from 5 square. When we take 169 minus 25, we get to 144. But this is equal to x square. So, to omit this square, we apply the square root, where it will be x square is equal to 144 square root of this, square root of this. Now, our x will be equal to 12. So, here x is equal to 12. As we have already obtained this side BC, it means that now we are in the position of calculating tangent of angle A, as from soikaitoa we've agreed that to get tangent of an angle is equal to opposite of adjacent. Now, adjacent was there 5, but we did not have the opposite. Now, opposite is equal to 12. So, as we've said from soikaitoa that tangent of an angle, which is tangent of angle A, is equal to opposite of adjacent. Opposite of adjacent. This will be equal to our opposite is x, which is 12. 12 divided by Adjacent to this angle is 5. 5. So tangent of angle A is equal to 12 divided by 5. This is the answer. Thank you for attending this session, but make sure that if you have not subscribed our channel, just subscribe, as we have the continuation of series in trigonometry and many other lessons like physics, as in now we have the well extended series of Newton laws of motion. Also, we do teach chemistry, biology, English, and we do provide guidance to our students. So I have a reason to tell you to subscribe. You will not regret to have this channel subscribed. Thank you. Have a nice moment.